Celtic Sea Salt is the game changer you've been missing for better health, and I'm here to tell you why. Did you know that minerals in salt are so vital that the lack of them can lead to various health issues? Imagine if the salt you use daily could be your secret weapon for optimal health. Well, it can. Welcome to the world of Celtic Sea Salt, a simple switch with extraordinary benefits. Stay with us to discover the game-changing power of this remarkable ingredient. And before we start, remember to stick around for a valuable tip at the end that can truly revolutionize your daily routine. Today, we're revealing the untapped potential of Celtic Sea Salt, a gift from nature originating from the pristine coasts of Brittany, France. Celtic Sea Salt is not your ordinary seasoning. From its rich mineral content to its profound impact on hydration and digestion, we'll cover why it's adored by nutritionists and holistic health advocates alike. Before we get into it, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Join our community and learn how you can lead a balanced life filled with energy and wellness. Salt is not just a kitchen staple, it's a historical emblem, once trading as white gold. Celtic Sea Salt stands apart through its artisanal harvesting process, harking back to millennia. Harvesters collect it by hand, using wooden tools that minimize contamination, while retaining the salt's unique gray color and mineral content. Across cultures, salt has been far more than a seasoning. Celtic Sea Salt specifically, valued in ancient Gaelic traditions, was known not only for its flavor, but also for its vital role in preserving food and supporting health. Now, let's dive deeper into the treasures hidden within Celtic Sea Salt and how they can transform your health. Mineral Powerhouse Celtic Sea Salt contains over 60 minerals and trace elements essential for body functions, including magnesium, potassium, and calcium. But why exactly are these minerals so important? Hydration. Dr. James DiNicolantonio, a renowned cardiovascular researcher, states that balanced salt intake supports cell hydration. Minerals in Celtic Sea Salt help your body absorb and utilize water more efficiently, keeping your skin glowing and energy levels high. Electrolyte Balance. These minerals sustain crucial electrolyte balance, necessary for nerve transmission and muscle functioning. A balanced electrolyte level is vital for physical performance and recovery. It's why athletes swear by mineral-rich salts. Digestive Boost. Harvard Medical School notes the importance of sodium and enzyme activation. The chloride in Celtic Sea Salt aids digestion by stimulating enzymes that break down food, thereby improving nutrient absorption. Try adding a pinch to your morning lemon water to kickstart your metabolism and digestive processes. Alkali Earth Minerals. The mineral profile in Celtic Sea Salt helps the body maintain an alkaline state. High acidosis levels can lead to fatigue and more severe health issues. By fostering an alkaline environment, you support bone health and reduce inflammation, as emphasized by Dr. Robert Young, an expert in cellular health. Practical strategies. Incorporate Celtic Sea Salt into your diet by cooking. Use it to season your soups or stews. The complexity of its flavor enhances dishes naturally. 2. Baking. Replace table salt in baking recipes for richer tasting bread. 3. DIY electrolyte drink. Mix it with filtered water, lemon juice, and honey. A fantastic post-workout refreshment. Did you know Cleopatra bathed in the salty waters of the Dead Sea, known for its healing benefits? Who knows? Maybe the key was in the salt itself. But you won't need a whole sea, just a pinch of Celtic wonders to feel rejuvenated. Salt sometimes gets a bad rap due to concerns about high sodium intake leading to hypertension. However, studies differentiate between the refined sodium in table salt and the natural balance found in sea salts like Celtic Sea Salt. The British Medical Journal has published studies showing that while refined salt is stripped of beneficial minerals, sea salt contributes to better health outcomes when used mindfully. By understanding the benefits of Celtic Sea Salt, you can make healthier choices and maximize its advantages. Start slowly. Substitute gradually for table salt to allow your taste buds to adjust. Pinch of health. Use it where you need a flavor boost and in pickling to preserve the integrity of dishes. Natural skincare. Create a rejuvenating bath scrub by mixing Celtic Sea Salt with coconut oil for softer skin. Here's a delicious and healthy recipe that features Celtic Sea Salt as a key ingredient. Roasted vegetable quinoa bowl with lemon tahini dressing. Prepare the quinoa. In a medium saucepan, bring water and Celtic sea salt to a boil. Add the rinsed quinoa, Reduce heat to low, cover, and simmer for about 15 minutes, or until the quinoa is cooked and the water is absorbed. Roast the vegetables. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees, 200 degrees. On a large baking sheet, combine sweet potato, red bell pepper, zucchini, and red onion. Drizzle with olive oil, then sprinkle with Celtic sea salt, black pepper, and oregano. 3. Make the lemon tahini dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together the tahini, lemon juice, minced garlic, olive oil, maple syrup, Celtic sea salt, and cayenne pepper. In a bowl, layer the cooked quinoa and top with a generous portion of roasted vegetables. Drizzle with the lemon tahini dressing. Garnish with fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro for an extra burst of flavor. This recipe is a perfect blend of flavors and nutrition, where Celtic sea salt not only enhances the taste, but also contributes to overall mineral intake. Enjoy this wholesome meal as a lunch or dinner option. And as promised, here's that end tip. Before your next workout, dissolve a pinch of Celtic sea salt in a glass of water, add a splash of lemon, and sip it to boost hydration and energy. To summarize, using Celtic sea salt isn't just about seasoning. It's about empowering your body with the minerals it needs to thrive. Its benefits span hydration, digestion, and mineral replenishment, making it a holistic health partner. Choose quality, choose Celtic. If you found our breakdown of Celtic sea salt insightful, be sure to explore our channel for more exciting insights into natural health remedies and culinary tips. And if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button to never miss a beat. Thank you for joining us today. Empower yourself with knowledge, and until next time, stay healthy and live inspired.